Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do shadow applique. The first thing I'm going to do for the shadow applique is print my design on some printable heat and bond. Then I'm going to attach this onto fabric. I recommend that you use a few different colours when you do this technique of shadow applique. This is my applique design for the shadow applique, and I'm going to put this on a backing piece of fabric. So now I've attached my applique design to a piece of cotton, and I've also made a quilt sandwich. So I've made my batten a little bit bigger and my backing a little bit bigger, and then I also cut this piece of organza, which gives us the shadow applique effect. Now you could go with a grey, and that would obviously take it even more shadowy. This one is a white, so that's without, and that is with. Now I'm going to pin this all the way around. For this demonstration I'm going to be using the Altair 2. I'm going to switch it over to sewing. In my top thread I'm going to have a Gutmann white polyester, as well as in my bobbin thread I'm going to have a 90-14 needle, and I'm also going to be using this open toe foot. I'm going to use a regular straight stitch, and then we're going to stitch around the outline of all of our shapes. This is the effect of what the shadow applique looks like. So I'm going to give you a couple of pointers. So when you're doing this technique, you do want to use several different colours. That's the point of doing the shadow applique in the first place. Also using the organza. I probably would have chosen a slightly duskier version rather than the white, but you can do different effects with different colours. I also recommend that you use your pivot key if you have one on your sewing machine. I did a straight stitch all the way around this. You could have done a free motion stitch, which is quite acceptable. And I also did an echo stitch around all of my shadow applique here. What do you think? Are you going to try doing some shadow applique? Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. I have loads and loads of videos on my channel. I have over 700 now. So subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and like my video. And I'll see you guys next week. Goodbye.